This is Sai Phanindra from SQL School. I assure you practical step-by-step lectures from scratch, from the very basics. And trust me, the things are very interactive. So need your support. I want your interaction in the live classes as well. Let's get started. Let's understand slowly what is database, why we need this database and SQL concepts. Let's step into SQL and database intro along with the career options. And I assure you complete practical, real-time, job-oriented training sessions from next class tomorrow with end-to-end projects, resume, and mock interviews. Let's get started now. What is database? It is a platform to store any type of data, any amount of data. Remember, we know how to store data, right? Excel, MS Word, PDF, etc. Then why to go for database? Yes, it can store any type of data and any amount of data, no restrictions at all. Any type of data and any amount of data. Main advantage of databases, main advantages, fully secured compared to an Excel data storage, or you store data in PDF, MS Word documents, or other file formats. Comparatively, this database can help us to store more secure data. Okay, and these are the security concepts we are going to practically implement in our classes. Abdullah, some minor background sounds, sir. Please mute your mic until we go for Q&A, please. Next, number 2, easy to organize. We have good number of concepts like schemas, synonyms, views, indexes, etc. We are going to practically learn for easy organization of your data within the database. So database is like a cupboard, okay? A rack, a cupboard to store the data, well organized. A database can store unlimited amount of data, no restrictions, GB, TB, any amount of data we can store. Part of our classes, we have cloud concepts with database. We have something called Azure Cloud, Fabric Cloud, as per your requirement, as per your learning needs. Both are from Microsoft. And we have AI capabilities with database with 100% job opportunities, because every project needs database. Every company needs data. They need to securely, safely store the data. So there we are. Every company needs database professionals. So let's cautiously step into our learning process for our safe job landing activities. Let's get started with our technical items now. Very, very important types of databases. If we have chance, please try to write your observation notes today. If not, from tomorrow, please. Okay, I'll revise these items tomorrow once again to make it clear. If possible, try to write your observation notes only keywords if possible. We'll go for doubts clarifications after revision of the items throughout the course. Let's see. Two basic types of databases, OLTP, data warehouse. What are they? Let's see. OLTP, the first one, online transaction processing database. These databases are used to store live real-time data. Like for example, a live cricket match, a live temperature data, live stock market, or a live online class, anything live that comes under OLTP. Remember, this is the actual birthplace of data. As simple as that. The main birthplace of data, OLTP. Then we have other important database type called data warehouse. DWH we call it. These databases are used to store historical data like old temperature data, old stock market data, anything old, anything which has been completed in the past. That is data warehouse. Now the question you can ask me, why we are having these items today? Yes, to start our classes from tomorrow, we need these technical items today to understand our job roles. From these two database, basic database types, we have certain job roles on my screen now. Developer. Developers will be involved in design of OLTP databases, live real-time databases, whereas data engineers will be involved in design of data warehouse databases. What is that? DWH. DWH, data warehouse. Data engineers will take care of it. Okay, I repeat again. We have number one, developers. Developers will be involved in design of OLTP databases. Data engineers will be involved in data warehouse databases. That's the main difference. What about others? Any database project will have total of 4 teams, minimum 4 teams. Developer team, data engineering team, and 2 more teams, data analysts and database administrators, or DBA, SQL database administrator job role for management. Analysts are involved in reporting, dashboards, visualizations, etc. Reports, front end. Administrators will be involved in management of OLTP databases, data warehouse databases, and also sometimes the reports which are designed by data analysts. There is an admin job. So any project that pertains to database environment will have these 4 teams. Out of these 4, initially it will be developer team. Usually database design projects, development projects will be lasting for few months to 1 or 2 years, usually not more than that. 1 or 2 years also rare, usually few months pertaining to database development, usually say up to 1 year. Once your database is developed, then comes testing and go live. Once it is live, comes engineers, analysts, admins. These 3 are always forever, for the entire life of the database. It's like a car. Assume database is like a car. The car gets designed, assembled at the car plant, right? One time. Once it is tested on the road, then comes service, maintenance activities, admin activity. And we have the marketing part and other kind of metrics, maintenance, notifications, analyst job. Past data history activities, or any kind of maintenance with respect to data like insurance and everything, past activities, data engineers will take care. So the complete history about the entire vehicle, engineers will maintain. For example, I would like to have an insurance claim practically. So where is the history about my vehicle? It is in the warehouse, remember. Who is going to design and maintain the warehouse? Engineers. So any project involves engineers, analysts, and admins. These are the three major important job roles. To make it more easier and clear for our learning, let's step into those three important job roles now on my screen. Number one, data analysts, completely into reporting and visualizations. Number two, data engineers, data warehouse design with ETL, extract, transform, load, ETL, big data and cloud computing concepts. And third, database administrators, DBA, maintenance, service. We have something called troubleshooting, security, upgrades, migrations, high availability, disaster recovery, security, etc. So these are the three very common job roles for any database project. You will choose any one out of these three. I repeat again, we are slowly learning what is database from our job orientation perspective. Database is a platform to store any type of data. I'll take you back to that old slide again. I'll just take you back to the data, this one. Okay. Database is a platform to store any type of data, any amount of data. Come on, please help me. What are the two basic types of databases, please? Please, everyone, you remember?
OLTP data warehouse.
OLTP and
Data
Data
warehouse.
warehouse.
data warehouse.
Data.
Okay, remember, very important for us. Okay, because Microsoft has certifications for each of these job roles. For all these blue job roles, Microsoft has solid certifications. For developer, there is no certification till date. It used to be there 4 years back. They removed it. Developer certification is not there now. We have certifications for engineers, analysts, and admins. I'll give you the certification numbers at the end of the class today. Anyway, we need it. Certification adds value to our resume a lot. So my classes will ensure we have a nice score in the certification. So let's be clear. Now, okay, two types of databases, OLTP, data warehouse. And data engineers are responsible for data warehouse design, data analysts reporting, administrators for management, security, maintenance, etc. Remember that. From here, our next activity. Let's see. Just wait. I could see if your attendees joined a bit late. I have to unmute them manually. Please wait, friends. Okay. Let me unmute the others manually. If anyone joined a bit late, just in case, your mics would be automatically unmute just to avoid possible background sounds and disturbance. By default, I have to unmute them manually. I'll unmute them during Q&A time anyway. Well, what we are learning? Types of databases. First one, what is database? Second, types of databases. Now, number three, DBMS, something new for us. I said data analysts, data engineers, DBAs, I said, right? But what is the software we are going to use? Yes, that is DBMS, Database Management System. It is a software to build and design databases, manage, access, analyze, secure, monitor, troubleshoot databases, and also to implement AI. In olden days, we have only first 7 items. The 8th item right now on the screen, implementing AI is new. in latest versions of DBMS. And we are going to install that latest version tomorrow. Next, different companies came with, or they produced, they are selling different DBMS brands in the market. Example DBMS number one, SQL Server from Microsoft company, Oracle company, Postgres, so on, IBM DB2, etc. Prefer to choose SQL Server if you are looking for something cheaper and easily accessible. Very easy to use, user friendly and cheaper. What is it? SQL Server, a DBMS from Microsoft. I repeat, we learned what is database. A platform to store the data. Now to operate on the database, to perform data storage, retrieval means reading the data, security, analytics, etc. We need a software called DBMS. What is that? Database management system. One such DBMS is SQL Server, a simple, powerful DBMS from Microsoft to address your day-to-day database operations. It's cheaper, easy, and highly secured and scalable. The recent versions of SQL Server are very fast and more secured. We'll see how easy it is to install SQL Server tomorrow and how easy it is to happily step into our practice from day after tomorrow. Things are very much streamlined here in Microsoft SQL Server compared to other database technologies. So first slide we learned database. Second slide, types of database. Third, DBMS. Now fourth, SQL Server. Next, I'll repeat once again, okay, to make it clear. First slide, what is database, right? Second, types of databases. Third, what is DBMS? I'll provide you all this information on email anyway. This is the only PPT for our entire course. This is the only PPT for the entire course. I'll send it today. From tomorrow, we need to slowly step into our practice with detailed notes, step by step we'll do. Next, number fourth, we learned what is SQL Server. Okay, I'll just title it as what is SQL Server. Number five, what is SQL? What is SQL? Let's see. Structured query language. What is that? It is a platform for storage, manipulations, reporting, and more. Remember, DBMS is a software. SQL Server is a software. SQL is a platform to interact with the database inside the software. It's something like this. SQL Server is our road, okay? SQL is a vehicle on the road. As simple as that. I repeat, SQL Server is a road, okay? SQL is a vehicle on the road. As simple as that. It works. This simple analogy works. So without road, no vehicle. Without DBMS, no SQL. Remember. So we need to implement SQL from day after tomorrow. For that, we need to install the software tomorrow. Tomorrow, SQL Server installation. We are going to construct the road tomorrow. Okay. Then slowly start our journey, enjoying all these items with SQL from day after tomorrow. So SQL is a set of instructions. We have user interface as well as script. No programming, no coding, no programming. no coding, no programming. Until or unless you go for development, by default SQLs all scripting and user interface, drag and drop. Nice drag and drop options are there now. If you are into hardcore development, then you need coding part. By default, no coding. Scripting will be there. Little bit of scripting will make it work, will make it simple. This SQL is the hand and the legs of your database. We touch the database using SQL. Any activity you want to perform on database, we need SQL. To construct a database, to repair a database, to tune or optimize database, to secure database, we need SQL. But where we perform all these? Inside DBMS software. Okay, we'll do it slowly, step by step. A variant of SQL called Microsoft SQL, also called MS SQL or Transact SQL. It's a variant, a type of SQL for more easier and more optimized version of SQL, more user friendly. Regular SQL has certain commands. Few commands are made more easier with its variant Microsoft flavor called T-SQL. So we'll take SQL first, then slowly step into T-SQL. From T-SQL fundamentals comes our next actual concepts of analysts, engineers, admins, etc. I repeat once again to make it easier for us. We are slowly learning what is database, types of databases, DBMS, and one such DBMS in the market, Microsoft SQL Server. Powerful, cheaper, easy to use. Now, to touch the databases, to play with databases, not only the software, even we need some communication items, interface, that is given by SQL. And a flavor of SQL called T-SQL means Transact SQL. T-SQL means Transact SQL. This Transact SQL is making the main SQL, the big boss, actual SQL easier, more easy and user interactive. Next, from here, we'll do two more slides and then we go for questions. From here comes the next important item. I said the job roles. So here are the job roles. Database administrators responsible to manage, troubleshoot, secure the database. They are the database doctors or the core servicemen. Simply, I am a DBA means I am a core serviceman. As simple as that. Any car will come to my garage, I repair it, I troubleshoot it, I fine tune it and deliver it and get paid. That is what DBA does. They troubleshoot, they secure, they manage the databases. Data engineers are maintaining the warehouse, like the godown of data. They maintain all old historical data for future forecasts, predictive analysis, deep learning, data science projects. All data science and deep learning actually needs data engineers. That's why in Microsoft, we have common certifications for engineers and data scientists now. It's the main reason for it. So wherever there is data warehouse, there will be big data. Wherever there is big data, there will be data engineers. And they will be the boss for data scientists. Data analysts for design, reports, dashboard activities. The yellow items are the certification codes. This particular one got expired last month, March 2025. It got expired, DP203. We thought Microsoft would extend the expiration, but it didn't happen. Unfortunately, it expired now. So we have Fabric, the latest certification, DP 700. That is backend, okay? Engineering. What about front end? Reporting, DP 600. For data scientists, there is something else called DP 500. They're all interlinked because every project needs everyone, all these teams. Next, from here, any clarifications, questions, let me know. Before that, notes, material, and assignments, software, I will take care. Please do not miss any classes. If you are missing any class, please give us a prior intimation so that we can provide you the video for the missing class. Such non-technical questions, our team will be doing a one-to-one call after the class today. We'll have one-to-one call to address all the non-technical questions, if anything technical from today's session so far till now. Please let me know. I will wait before we proceed. Just to make it clear, what I'll do is I'll give the slide sorter like this, okay? Just to make it clear. Yes, here it is. Just to get some idea. So we learned what is database, types of database. Then we learned about, yes, just wait. What is database, types of databases. Yes, DBMS, SQL Server, what is SQL and T-SQL. Please have a look at it carefully. I'll wait. And then we learned about this job roles, right? This one. Yes, any questions, let me know, please. I'll wait. We'll proceed with software download links so that we are ready for our next class tomorrow. We'll do. Any questions, please? I'll wait for some time, please. Any questions?
So let's say if we learn this one and if we need to do a Oracle database programming or some other database programming, can we be able to do it, or like is it more of Microsoft flavored?
Truly speaking, brother, it's like I know how to drive one car, I can easily drive the other cars. I mean to say, we learn one SQL, we can easily adopt and migrate to other SQLs with ease. Pretty sure about it, because we are going to learn the SQL fundamentals also here. The basement also we are going to touch base with. So it works. Yeah.
Okay, so most of the sequels would be common across the any database, right?
Exactly. Okay. You take Oracle or Microsoft, because everywhere is all database only, right? So usually they are common. Of course, minor modifications will be there here and there, but usually the basement will be common. Purpose will be common always. Yes, it's easier to adopt.
Sure. Thank you.
Hello.
Next question. Tell me, sir. Yeah, Rajesh.
Okay, sir. What is the course contain? And currently, we are using one application in my company, and we are
Okay,
using the Microsoft. So, how it helped me to like develop my skill?
understood. Yeah. We'll discuss. We'll discuss it. We'll discuss it one to one. Yeah.
Okay,
Let me understand your existing work environment, what kind of application you're using, what are your current job roles, right? Then I can surely suggest, your learning path. I have a separate slide
sure.
for your learning path. We will take it, sir, after some time. We'll do. Sure. Yeah. Friends, any questions, let me know, please, on what is database. I'll just take you back to the slides order again. Yes, this one, friends. What is database, types of database, DBMS, SQL Server, SQL. That's the base difference, okay? Like Windows, say OS, Windows, browser, Chrome, mobile, iPhone, car, Tesla car. What's the difference? See, one is generic, other one is branded. That's it, okay? We'll take more with examples anyway. Just the overview part. Slide 1, say slide number 6 to 11. Any questions, please? I'll wait, please. 6 to 11. I'll wait.
I have a question.
GKR Raj. Tell me, sir. Please tell me. Yes. GK
Sir,
or
what is the difference between MS SQL and MySQL, sir?
so both are different brands actually. Like if someone asks me,
Yes,
Sai,
sir.
what's the difference between a Honda car and a Hyundai car? They sound similar. Same way MS SQL and MySQL, they sound similar but different companies, but the purpose is same actually. Purpose is same. MySQL was a separate company earlier. Now it was owned by Oracle. Now means like few years back,
Okay.
4 to 5 years back, Oracle bought it.
Okay.
MySQL, okay. And MySQL is mainly
Okay.
intended for web programming, web designing, those kind of web activities. MySQL is famous for them. Whereas MS SQL, Microsoft SQL is mainly famous for e-commerce activities, healthcare, petrochemicals, these kind of big data activities. Let me tell you why. MS SQL has BI, MSBI we call. In MySQL, there is no BI. There is no big data. These are the practical limitations of MySQL. MS SQL has more options comparatively. Cheaper. Okay, next question, please. I'll wait.
Comparatively,
Yeah.
Postgres.
Sir, Postgres is
Hello.
an open source actually. It's an open
No,
source.
no, no.
Of course, we do
Yeah,
have
it's a
support
it's a
for
open
database Postgres.
source.
The open source,
Hello.
really great.
No, no,
You
no.
can do
I
it.
have a
Yes, we
question.
don't have big data or engineering activities. For
So
engineering,
no, no, no.
again,
I
we
have
come back to Azure and Microsoft. We have to. Yes.
no, no, no. Let me complete my question.
Tell me, sir.
Hello. Yeah, but when comparatively between this Postgres and the MS SQL server, which is having more job opportunities?
Actually, that was my answer to the question. Actually, I think I missed to meet your expected, answer. I'll just give it in a small overview. Just wait. That was my answer actually earlier. I'll show it again. Here it is. Fine. I'll just put this way. Comparatively, Microsoft SQL has more opportunities. Why? Because Microsoft SQL has BI, big data. Postgres does not have those opportunities option. Okay. Postgres has only OLTP, no warehouse, no ETL, nothing. Whereas
Okay.
Microsoft SQL has OLTP, ETL, engineering, analytics, everything. It's like a big bazaar. You have everything here. Even Oracle also does not have any engineering now, right? Oracle, we have only ODI, Oracle Data Integrator, but you never hear about Oracle Data Engineering. No, you don't have it. In Microsoft, we have engineering, analytics, data science, OLTP, everything is there, full stack. You can't expect those things in Postgres or other database systems. Remember, friends, everyone, there are only three big brothers in cloud. Only three big brothers in cloud. Let me tell you, friends. Only three big brothers. Number one, Azure. Number two, AWS. Number three,
AWS.
Google Cloud. These
Yes.
three are ruling the entire market. Let me tell you, friends. And every other cloud has to depend on one of these clouds. For example, let me justify my statement, friends. If anyone heard about Snowflake, Snowflake, friends, everyone, please. Snowflake, there is a cloud called Snowflake, right? You're aware of it? Yes.
Yeah.
Salesforce,
Little.
SAP, you heard about them, right? I mean, you heard about their names, right? Salesforce, SAP, Snowflake,
Yes.
they're all cloud platforms, right? They use one of these three big brothers to store their data. Let me show you practically now. These are the items to justify my answer. Microsoft Azure, AWS, Google Cloud. These are the three big brothers. They have their own vast satellite network with their own data centers across the globe. Oracle, Postgres, those are all databases only. They are not into big data. For big data, you need one of these options. They have their own good amount of data centers. Google Cloud came into limelight in the recent past. They are supposed to have more number of data centers. That's different thing. But right now, Azure and AWS are good in the market. Coming to big data. Okay.
And this
Fine.
cloud platform will support Postgres also, right? Postgres, Aura,
Yes,
Postgres.
exactly. We have course for Postgres with Azure, Postgres with AWS. I mean, again back to Microsoft. Postgres with Azure is nothing but again T-SQL there. We have to use T-SQL extensions.
Okay.
Okay, that's how we do.
So just can I add more points to your answer, sir? Is
Yes,
that
madam.
okay?
Why not? Please. Welcome,
So
ma'am.
precisely like it's entirely depends on which job you're applying. So they
Hmm.
might pick Postgres or SQL. Like I mean, both are important, both are useful. But the only
Yes.
thing is, if you learn one thing at a time, so
Hmm.
it's very easy to
Adopt
uh,
to the next.
easy to
Yes.
exactly. Like if you
Yes.
know the
Correct.
basic JavaScript, you can play around with any scripting language.
Exactly.
Same as with the if you know the basic queries,
Hmm.
so we can go with anything. Like it's in the market, any everything is in market. Like what we
Exactly.
need
Yeah,
to
yes,
know,
yes. You're right. Yeah.
and
Every
everything
company
is
has their own
to
footprint and demand in the market. They are their own safe zone. Truly speaking. Yes.
so thanks for
No,
the
so my
opportunity.
question. So no, my question is not regarding that one. Yeah, SQL. If you learn SQL, it will be implemented across all the structure query databases. When it comes to the NoSQL, it is different. But my
Yes.
question is the job opportunities when it comes to the Postgres and when it comes to the MS SQL server in the market.
My MS SQL has
Entirely
more market.
depends actually,
MS
because
SQL has more market if you are going for engineering analysts. Admins are common. You have Postgres admins, Postgres developers, common. But engineering analysts, right? They are missing in the Postgres now. So assume you are using Postgres as OLTP, then what about data warehouse? Again, you have to come back to AWS or Azure again. Are you
Okay.
getting my point, sir? Today's
Yeah.
OLTP will be tomorrow's warehouse, right? Obviously, we need it. So to implement warehouse, again, you have to come to Synapse, Snowflake, Azure, Fabric, AWS, Redshift. You have to implement one of them. So my answer is straightforward. Microsoft has more market compared to Postgres. More market. Another reason, in fact, Postgres Cloud can be hosted either in Azure or AWS, part of our Postgres admin course. We have it actually. That's how we do. Because Postgres does not have its own cloud. On my screen, sir. Postgres is only OLTP. It has only OLTP, no ETL, no warehouse, nothing. So I cannot compare a notepad and a Word document. I cannot compare a notepad and a Word document. That's my answer to your question. Once again, MS SQL has more scope, more benefit, more job options compared to Postgres. Yep.
Okay, sir. Thank
And
you.
I request you, sir, to attend my Postgres demo class and to get more about it. I request you to attend my Postgres, demo class to get more about it. Okay. Because
Okay,
I'm
sir. Okay.
eligible to answer your question in a more detailed way. I request you to come to my Postgres DBA training program for the demo class. I have more options over there, limitations and advantages. Will do.
Okay.
There
Okay.
again,
Okay.
Microsoft Touch. You see my screen, sir. Azure. It's all about Azure and Microsoft Touch. We require it. Fine. Next question, please. I'll wait.
Uh,
Hello, sir. I
Yes, sir.
like to introduce myself as Raghunath. Actually, I have one question. Actually, currently I am being a DevOps engineer and I want to do a transition. Okay, in the way which I have to travel because I have a good enough sound knowledge on SQL with
Hmm.
the reporting tools,
Okay.
either with data engineering line or data science line, or I have to start with an SQL developer, or I have to start with a data analyst role. I want a clarity, sir.
Sure, sir. I actually thought of taking installation items next. But anyway, there were
Okay,
some
okay.
questions. So I'll go one by one then. Yeah, I got it, sir. Raghunath.
Yes,
Um,
sir.
you said like you would like to start your career in the database platform, right? Isn't it?
Yeah, yeah, correct, sir.
Surely, definitely. So you tell me, sir, like which kind of job role you're actually planning for? Like you want to definitely should not be a developer because developer involves coding activities, programming and
Mm,
coding, truly speaking. So I don't recommend
mm,
developer for like starters or at least
mm,
attendees from a non-IT background. I do not recommend development. See,
mm,
once we get into the job, we need to learn and we need to happily enjoy every moment we do over there, right? That's important. So
mm,
I never use my any negative terms like difficult, not possible. I never use those kind of negative words in my class. But what is encouraging is important here, need of the hour. So
yes,
my
sir. No, no.
suggestion, brother.
Actually, yes, sir. Sorry to interrupt, sir. Actually, I'm 8 year experience in infra line. I want to do a transition like to enter into
Exactly.
a
So you're
data.
not from
Yeah,
coding background, right? Isn't it, sir? I got your point.
yeah, yeah. Fully, yeah. Infra means only basic of scripting, shell scripting, fully
Exactly.
DevOps. Mhm.
Got it. You are into infra team. So as you are from infra team, you are having some little bit of management activities. My recommendation would be data analysts or DBA, database administrator. Being an infra
Okay.
person, you will love DBA because it's all into
Mm.
management, administration
Okay.
activities, KB articles, level 1, level 2, level 3, SLA, OLE. Things are very easier for you, truly speaking. If I were in your place, I would have chosen DBA. It's up to you to
Okay.
decide now. Yeah.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay. Next, we'll go one by one, friends. Rajesh, which course you're opting for, sir? Tell me, please, Rajesh. Like, what's your plan? Let me know, please. I'll wait.
Hello, hello.
Yeah, Rajesh, please tell me, sir. Yeah.
Yeah, I'll discuss one to one.
Surely, you can. Yeah. And next,
After
Rajiva.
this class, is it okay?
Why not? Surely. I'll call you anyway. After this class, give me some time. I'll call you. Okay. Yeah, sure.
Okay, so do you have my number?
Yes, sir. At the time of enrolling for this class, you mentioned the correct mobile number, I believe, right? Yeah.
Yeah, right.
Then fine. No issues. I have it then. And next, Rajiva. Can you hear me, please? Rajiva, please. I'll wait. Rajiva, cannot hear you, sir. Please check your mic, please.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Which course
Hello,
you're
sir.
opting for?
Yeah, for data engineering course, sir.
Data engineering, right? Okay, sure. Got it.
Yes. Sir,
Surely.
I'm a
We'll start
fresher
with
with no
that.
prior experience. Am I suitable for this course?
I missed your statement, sir. Please repeat again. Tell me.
Uh, I'm a, I'm a fresher with a non-IT background without no, any prior experience. Is this course suits for me?
Got it. Plus with non-IT, then go for ADE plan B. Azure Data Engineer plan B is there, right? MS SQL plus ADE. That should be enough, sir. That should be enough.
Yes.
It works. Yeah. It's suitable.
Yes.
Yeah. It is suitable. No problem. It is. Yeah. And Sai Kalyan, can you hear me, please? Sai Kalyan, please check your mic. I'll wait. Sai Kalyan, can you hear me? Please check your mic, please. I'll wait.
Sir, these are separate course like data engineer, Power BI, Power Analytics, and DBA.
Yes,
This
sir.
is
You're
separate
right. Based
course.
on your job role, it will be separate course, sir. You're right. Yes.
Okay.
Okay. So that's why I gave the job roles today, actually. Sai Kalyan cannot hear you. Cannot hear you. Please check your mic. And next, Naveen, which course you're opting for, Naveen? Let me know, please, Naveen. I'll wait.
Yeah, Phanindra, actually, I have experience of 15 years, out of which 9 years is as a MS SQL developer, and I
Okay.
want to upskill my skills, so I will be going with MS means Azure DBA developer with MS SQL DBA.
Okay.
So,
SQL. Got it.
no, I need your guidance regarding this one. Means I need your directions
Sure.
on this spot. So, uh, presently,
Surely we can discuss one to one. Yeah.
yeah, let me complete. And I have switched the job from my old organization from last 8 months, past 8 months. So again, I am planning to switch the job. So it should help me uh, in future finding jobs.
I got it, sir. We have one-to-one call. Of course, again, once we start the call, you'll surely give me the same information. We'll discuss it. Okay. Everyone is important. We'll do one by one. Okay. Quickly. Yeah. We'll do,
Okay,
sir.
Phanindra.
Naveen, yeah. Friends, don't mind, friends. Let's make sure the things are straight, simple, put. Okay. Any one-to-one call, we need to go in detail based on our job roles, past experience, everything we will do. I'll give my sincere, friendly advice. Our relationship should be lasting for longer. We'll do one by one. Next, I think of 1 minute. Yeah, Abdullah. Which course you're opting for, sir? Please click Abdullah. Which course you're opting for, please? Let me know. Abdullah, I'll wait, please. Data list or admin or engineer, which one? Abdullah, please. I'll wait. Cannot hear you, Abdullah. Please check your mic, sir. Altaf Syed. I think I had your information
hello,
with me
Sai.
already. Yeah, Altaf Syed. I have it with me. Yeah, Nazir, please tell me, Nazir.
Yeah, Sai. I attended your DBA sessions quite some time back, maybe about
Okay.
14, 15 years ago. So
okay.
like I have very good experience on DBA front. So just
Perfect.
looking for fabric related data engineering, uh, fabric data engineering kind of course for
Okay.
better career opportunities. I already moved out of that DBA role. Maybe for the past 5 to 6 years, I have been working as more of data migrations, more of you got it, like mostly on cloud, like
Got it.
data migrations and all that kind of roles, and Power BI supporting the writing the queries behind the Power BI or even any reporting tool. Data engineering, some roles into data engineering, not very deep,
Got
but
it.
some basics I have. So want to go a little bit more deep in data engineering area like Synapse, Databricks, ADF, want to take seriously in that angle. And even Fabric also is a recent one.
Got it,
There is
sir.
noise. There is a lot of noise about Fabric. Yeah. So,
I
yeah.
understand. So my
Yeah.
strong recommendation, Nazir, as you already have solid experience as DBA, I strongly recommend you go for data engineer first, right? And
Yeah.
I can make you ETL admin, Nazir.
Yeah.
I
Yeah.
can make
Yeah.
you ETL admin. Yep, it works actually. So good
Yeah.
amount
Okay.
of knowledge on DBA with data engineering and big data. So you can go from admin perspective with engineering stuff. So you can apply for engineering job roles as well as ETL admin job roles. We can have dual advantage. So go for Azure Data Engineer course for now, Nazir, and then
Yeah.
after Azure Data Engineer with Synapse, Data Factory, Data Lake, Databricks, and all, then eventually you'll end up into Fabric. It works one by
Yeah.
one.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, so it will be MSS tier and Azure Data Engineer and Fabric Data Engineer. That should be enough
Yeah.
actually. Yep.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. Hi.
Perfect. Yes, and next, Altaf Syed, I cannot hear you, sir. Please check your mic. Anukalp Desai, can you hear me, please? Anukalp Desai, please. I'll wait.
Yes, sir. So I want to go for T-SQL plan A, like for
Sure,
now,
sir.
because I'm not sure. I'll need a little bit of guidance later, but I want to complete
Sure,
the
sir.
T-SQL plan A 4 weeks first.
Exactly. Yeah. It's 3 weeks. I said 3 weeks actually. So 3 weeks
Yes,
basics one.
yes,
Yeah,
yes,
exactly.
sir.
Based on that, you can decide later. You can do as per your comfort. You can do.
Yes,
Yes.
sir. Thank you, sir.
Surely. Yeah. Yeah. And GKR Raj, please. Tell me which course you're opting for. GKR Raj, please. Let me know. I'll wait.
Sir, actually, my post-graduation completed recently, sir.
Okay.
Yeah, I will go to DBA training, sir. SQL DBA.
Surely. Yeah. Then I think only DBA should be fine. Later you can think about Azure next. Go one by one, sir.
Yeah,
Better, right? Yeah.
yeah, okay, sir.
Someone says like you can do SQL with Azure. I don't recommend those. So go for one by one, slowly. Go for DBA first. Enjoy everything, practice, understand. Then go for cloud next, step by step. It will be easy for you.
Yeah,
Perfect.
okay,
And
sir.
Jivita, yes, madam. Which course you're opting for, madam? Let me know, please. Or which job role you're opting for? Jivita Dina. Yeah. Jivita, cannot hear you, madam. Please check your mic, please. Please check your, please. I'll wait. In the meantime, Judechi, which course you're opting for, please? Let me know, please. I'll
Hi,
wait.
sorry for
Jude.
interrupting. This is Mohammed here. Altaf couldn't turn on his mic, so he wanted to tell you something.
Oh, no problem. Habib, yeah, Habib and Ayan Muhammad, Altaf. I had your information already with me. No problem. Yeah, we are
Okay,
done.
okay, thank you.
Yeah, you are into data analyst and yeah, fine. Yeah, I got it. I
Thanks.
had your information. Yeah, from your team, from your group. Yeah, thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Jivita, cannot hear you, madam. Please check your mic, please. Please help me.
Can
Please
you
check your mic.
hear me, sir, now?
Yes, madam. I can hear you pretty clear now. Please tell me. Yeah.
Yeah. Yes, sir. I am Jyota from Chennai.
Yes, please.
I have been working 8 years experience in HR, which is
Okay.
payroll processing.
Okay.
So entirely, I'm completely. I don't have a prior experience in coding or programming. So I would like to join as a data analyst role.
Okay, data analyst. Got it. Got it. Will do. Sure, madam. So yes, you can do the
Because I
data
don't have
analyst.
any prior experience on IT related.
Okay.
So basic, my friend suggested basic should be a data analyst. So I just go for it.
Exactly. Let me just give you the appropriate slide, madam. In data analyst that we are going to learn in my classes from tomorrow, we are going to start from the scratch with I'll just show you here. Yes, this one, madam. We'll take SQL first with Excel, Power BI with Excel, Python with Excel. Okay, this is a 3 months data analyst training program. Actually, we'll provide you the complete details anyway regarding that one with day-wise roster and all. We'll do. Okay. Yeah, we'll do.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Sure. And next, friends, in the meantime, just now send one email to everyone. Judechi, please check your mic, sir, please. Some background sound, please check it, sir. Installations will do tomorrow. Okay. Just now sent an email to everyone that includes today's notes plus installation downloads. Everyone, please check it, please. I'll wait. Might be on the way. Email sent just now. Might be on the way. You'll receive it very, very shortly. We shall have the detailed installation tomorrow. Others, please wait, friends. Let's touch base with everyone. Please give me a few moments time.
Sure.
Yeah, please wait. Others will go one by one, friends. Please wait. Yeah, email sent just now. Might be on the way. You'll receive it shortly. In the meantime, Judechi, can you hear me, sir? Please check your mic, please. I'll wait. Yeah. Judechi, cannot hear you. Please check your mic, please. Cannot hear you, sir. Please check your mic. Judechi, please. And Laltu K, please check your mic. Which course you're opting for, please? Laltu K, please let me know, please. I'll wait.
Yeah, sir. So my job role requires to write SQL queries. So it's a on-prem cloud kind of environment.
Okay.
So the cloud is integrated with the Linux server, and DB is hosted on the Linux server. So
Okay. Understood.
So mostly I want to be thorough on writing queries.
Queries.
Yeah. So I think DBA side, right? Fifth one.
Sir, one thing, no need to go for DBA now. Like, are you into management? Like, do you do any backups, job maintenance, tuning, those things, or just only writing
No.
queries? Let me know.
No, looking at mostly writing queries to fetch data.
Oh, then you can do only the yellow box, brother. That should be enough, actually. The top yellow box is there, right? That's called T-SQL Plan A, 3 weeks program. That should be enough to start with. After that, if required, then you can think about the next level. You can do one by one better. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. So don't go for DBA now. You may do DBA later if required, but for now, only the basement is there, right? Yellow box, that is MS SQL. That should be enough, actually, for now, for time being. Okay.
So it
And
involves all functions and everything, right?
Functions, procedures, triggers, CTs, yeah, everything. Okay. Later, if required, you will do the next one. Level by level, you can do better.
Sure.
Fine, sir. Thank you. And next, Basi, can you hear me, please? Vetu Basi, please check your mic, please. I'll wait.
Yes, I can hear you. Hi.
Yeah, hello. Yes. Which course you're opting for, or which job role you're planning for? Let me know.
I was given a link for data analyst. I'm not sure.
Okay, you're looking for data analysts. Surely, we'll do from tomorrow. A 3 months program. We'll do. Sure.
But
I'll provide you the
actually,
complete detailed notes and step-by-step activities and the curriculum as well. We'll do anyway. Sure.
what about Python analytics? Can
It's
that
part of
be
the
done
course. Data
separately?
analytics, data analyst job role. We have Python also part of the course. Python analytics is part of the course. Third module. Yes, we have it. Yes.
If you want to do it alone, can you?
Why not? You can. We are flexible. You can do it alone as well. Yeah. After the class today, our team shall call you. Just answer the call and you can give your no requirements to them, and we'll do the needful. No issues. We are flexible. Yep. You can.
Okay. Okay, no problem. Thanks.
Thank you. Yep. And Madhu Kandukuri, please let me know, please, which job role you're opting for. Let me know. Madhu Kandukuri, please. I'll wait. Madhu Kandukuri, cannot hear you. Kindly check your mic, please. Please check your mic, please. Cannot hear you. In the meantime, hope you received the email, everyone. Please, I'll wait. Everyone, please. My class notes mail. Download links for tomorrow.
Yeah, just received.
Others, please check it, please. I'll wait.
Yes,
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 sir. Received.
We got it.
Yes, sir,
Fine,
received.
fine, friends. Yeah, fine. Then no questions, you may leave. Thank you so much. I'm just,
I haven't
asking
received a.
others about their interested job roles and all. If you're done with the things, you can leave. It's up to you. Thank you. Any other questions, please stay back.
I have not received it.
I haven't received
Judas,
also.
Judas, like which course you're opting for? Let me know, please, Judas.
Yes, I spoke with you last time. I want to switch to business analyst.
BA. Got it. I remember. I think we spoke. Yeah, got it. Yeah. Surely. So you are to go for business analyst job role. Yeah, sure. Yeah.
Yeah.
Will do. So let's start our classes from tomorrow. And yes, you'll do it. Well, and hope you have received the complete course curriculum for business analyst from our team. Have you received it?
No, sir.
We'll send it today. I'll send it personally from my WhatsApp. Okay, I'll do. Sure. I'll do.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Sure, I'll do. Sure, thank you.
All right.
And next, Madhu Kandukuri. Cannot hear you, madam. Please check your mic, please. And Maisa.
Yeah.
Yeah, Madhu
Hello, sir.
K. Yes, please tell me.
Yeah, actually, I got quality assurance testing experience. I got around 10 years of testing experience, and I'm
Okay.
opting about for data engineering course. I have a little bit coding experience with the JavaScript, so that is okay.
Definitely. Yes, you can do. But tell me, like, how many hours you can practice per day? Let me know, please.
Meanwhile, I'm doing because this is while searching for the jobs on my current role, I need to learn this course. So yeah, maybe 3 hours a day I can practice.
Perfect. Then fine. Then yeah, definitely. Then you can do it. Yeah. Then no issues. Yeah. No problem. Yeah. So we'll send you the complete course details now on WhatsApp, and we'll take it from there. We'll do. Yeah, sure. And next, Maisa. Can you hear me, please? Maisa. Yeah. Please check your mic.
Hello, sir. Actually, it didn't provide me to edit my name. Actually, the portal we entered. So my name is Saujanya.
Saujanya. Okay, madam. Got it. Noted. Sure. Yeah. Tell me, madam, please.
So I'm working as a full stack game developer. So
Okay.
I need to convert. I'm thinking for a career switch to business analyst. To be honest, I know I can understand the SQL queries, but I cannot write the complex SQL queries like partition by and those kind of things. So
Okay.
I need hands-on for MS SQL before switching my role to business analyst.
Definitely, madam. My course will definitely help you. My examples will definitely, help you a lot. Will do. So you're basically looking for the complete BA, right? Business analyst pack completely from SQL.
No, the basic SQL actually.
Only basic SQL, right? Okay, not the
Yes.
BA part, not the
No,
complete BA.
absolutely. Can you share the details? If that is relevant, I will definitely pick it.
Surely, why not? Yeah, we'll share you the complete BA details. Okay, we'll send you the complete curriculum anyway.
Hmm.
Then you can decide as per your
Yeah.
comfort. We'll do. Sure.
Sure. Thank you.
Totally, we'll do. Yep. And Malini G. Yes, madam. Can you hear me, please? Malini G. Please check your mic. Malini G. Can you hear me, please? Check your mic. Cannot hear you. Please wait. Friends, no questions. We are done. Then you may leave. It's up to you. Thank you. Any questions? Please stay back one by one, please. And next, Ranga Reddy. Please tell me, sir, which course you're opting for. Ranga Reddy, please. I'll wait. I think your mic is on mute. Please check it. Ranga Reddy, please. I'll wait. Ranga Reddy, can you hear me? Please check your mic, please. I'll wait. Ranga Reddy, cannot hear you. Please check your mic.
Hello.
And Priyanka D. Can you hear me, please? Priyanka D. Please check your mic.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yes, madam. Which course you're
Uh,
opting for?
yes, I am actually planning for SQL DBA. Actually, I have 3 years experience in SQL DBA. But what happened, like I'm trying to switching a job, but in 3 years I have not get that much exploration because means I have worked on always on but I didn't do any tunings or trace like these things. So I will go with the SQL DBA or
With Azure. With
yeah,
Azure?
with Azure. Yes, yes. Because as we are switching, so everyone needs to Azure in these days now. So
Got it.
yeah.
Definitely, madam. We'll do. So you have time to practice every day, right? Minimum 1 hour,
Yes.
1 to 1.5 hour minimum.
Yes, yes, sure, sir.
Then definitely you can do it, madam. Sure. Yeah. Yep.
Okay. Yeah.
Surely. Yep. And next,
Thank you.
Ranga Reddy cannot hear you. Please check your mic.
Can
And
you hear me? Sir, can you hear me?
Mirza Beg. Yes, I can hear you. Please tell me.
Yeah. So actually, Abdullah is waiting for you. He cannot turn on his mic. So if you would be
Okay.
allow him to just turn on his mic so that he can just clear his doubts.
1 minute. 1 minute, sir. Please.
Yep.
Mirza Rahim. 1 minute. Abdullah. Yes, Abdullah, can you hear me? Please check your mic, please. Yeah.
Yes, sir. Good evening. Yeah.
Very, very good evening, sir. Please tell me.
Yeah, I have a question, sir. Like, I'm studying masters in IT management,
Okay.
and I was wondering, to study masters. Like after completing my masters, I was like wondering that can I, go for Amazon Workspace Cloud Engineer or Amazon Workspace Cloud Solution Architect. So, do you guys like provide that teaching?
We do have actually. We have a separate tried and separate course for AWS actually. AWS data engineer, we have it.
Okay. So, like, just to let you know my background, I don't have any IT, like knowledge. So, would that be possible to, study Amazon Workspace Cloud Engineer, Cloud Solution Architect, and,
You
get a
can do it.
job?
So let's start with MS SQL first from tomorrow, Abdullah. Let's start MS SQL, and after MS SQL, you go for the AWS engineering one by one. It works actually. Yes,
All right. Perfect, sir. Thank you.
we'll do. Yeah. And Mirza Beg, like which course you're opting for? Let me know, please. Mirza Beg.
So right now I was just going through your sessions and all the demo sessions. So if you
Okay.
would be able to allow me like 2 days of time, right now I'm just figuring it out. The first thing in my mind right now is business intelligence analyst. So
Okay.
I need to do some research on myself. We'll go ahead with that and we'll let you know about that.
Please let me know by tomorrow or max by day after
Yeah,
tomorrow.
by today evening I'm gonna just message you so that can join the tomorrow session.
Surely, surely. You can join tomorrow, no problem.
And
At least by
I just need your help too. That can you just make the sessions a little early? Why? Because
sir, that is
if
the
it would be
discuss
like
for tomorrow. Okay, separately. Okay.
that's totally fine, no
We
problem.
have other schedules as well, so we'll take it separately. Sir. We'll do. Yep.
That's totally fine, no problem.
Fine, sir. We'll do. Yep. But let the course continue as per the schedule. So anything else, we'll see. We'll talk about it separately. We'll do. Yep. Okay. This schedule is already planned, so I cannot disturb my things or others things at this moment, at this time. I cannot commit on other time right now or change in time right now. It continues. As for your comfort, yeah, we have other schedules as well. I will tell our team to send you the schedules. You can choose whichever you want. Okay, as per the available list of schedules, you can choose. Yep, will do. And Ranga Reddy, I have seen your chat message, sir. With 2 years of experience, I wanted to shift to SQL DBA. Definitely, yes, you can do. Yes, you can. Ranga Reddy, I'm not able to hear you. My bad, not able to hear you. But yes, you can do it, Ranga Reddy. But make sure, Rangareddy, like you're practicing minimum 1.5 to 2 hours every day for best results. Because I will make sure the things are practical, step by step, easy to understand. Need your support, everyone. Practice on time, please. That's important for me. And next, Gopi Chand. Can you hear me, please? I think I missed it. Gopi Chand, can you hear me, please? Check your mic. Gopi Chand, please check your mic, please.
Yes, sir. I can.
Yes,
Can
sir.
you hear
So
me
which
now?
kind of job role you're opting for? Let me know, please.
Yeah, currently I'm working as a DBA, but it's a HANA DBA. I'm looking SQL DBA.
Okay, you're looking
SQL
for
DBA with
SQL DB
Azure
with
DBA.
Azure, is it? Because you're already experienced,
Yeah.
so I think yeah, with Azure will work.
Yeah, I already have some little knowledge because currently I'm working in my current project. I'm working for SQL Server also, but it is like a 10% of work.
Okay, okay, got it, got it. Then
So I
yeah,
want to
definitely,
be
then
a
I think you can shape up
yeah.
your complete knowledge with my classes. Pretty sure. Yeah, we'll do one by one, step by step. Yep.
Yeah. Thank you.
Sure, thank you. Yep, yep. And next, why ready? Which course you're opting for? Let me know, please. Friends, you are done. You can leave. It's up to you. Any questions? Please stay back. We'll go one by one, please.
Sure.
Why ready? Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Tell me, please. Which job role you're opting for?
So my name is Yugandhar Reddy, and
Yugandhar Reddy.
I am
Got it.
yeah. So I am looking for these. I want to sharpen my SQL skills. So since you are teaching the T-SQL, I thought since SQL is general, like I can use that for even if I go for some other database.
Yes.
But my ultimate goal is to move towards the data engineering. So, but before going there, I want to brush up my SQL skills.
Perfect, perfect. Definitely. Then my course will definitely help you. Let me put this way, as you asked me. So I'll just show you one particular screen wherein you'll get some idea like what we are going to learn in our in my SQL classes, my SQL classes. I'll just put this way. Here is my learning checklist, and just wait. So before I take you to the data engineering, I'll make sure 30 concepts, 30 task items, 2 case studies, and then I'll take you to Azure step by step. Okay, I'll
Sure.
send this information to everyone anyway. So
And
yeah,
how
you
about
can shape up your complete knowledge on MS SQL with common table expressions, CTEs, procedures, functions, triggers, synonyms, linked server, remote joins, everything. We'll take it slowly.
so
Surely
how
you can.
about
This will work.
so do I need to learn the stored procedures like the I think the
Well, like we need to actually for data engineering we need to, but we don't need to be a pro. It's not a programming course here. It's into MS SQL queries course only. So yeah, it works.
no, you have something like what do you call it? Group 2, Group 3 also something in these there, right?
Yeah, those are the advanced programming
Okay,
activities.
so do I need to learn those or
Not required, sir. Not required.
okay, not required.
Trust me.
Okay.
Like whatever we have in this MS SQL, it should be enough actually.
And I have one more question. So in order to practice these sequels, right? Like you will be giving a sample database tables and
Yeah,
all
yeah,
those.
exactly. By day after tomorrow itself, we'll be receiving the sample data. Tomorrow installation, day after tomorrow sample data to start the practice. Yes, we have.
Okay, but
We'll do.
I will not be joining this particular coming batch, but I am looking for something. I'm in US. I am looking for India morning batch, so that will be
Okay.
evening for me.
Okay. I'm right now in US actually. I'm right now in US, Tracy, because I have
Okay.
corporate training right now in Dublin for last 4 days. Okay.
Okay.
I'm right now in Tracy. It's
So
17 degrees
which?
here.
Oh, okay. Which time zone it is it?
Tracy, I'm right now in this Tracy because I'm right now delivering corporate training for ADP and Snowflake in Dublin, that nearby
Oh,
area.
okay. Sure.
I'll be
Then I
moving
could
back
work
to
out.
US. Sorry, I'll be moving back to India again in the month of June first week. But my trainings will continue as usual.
Sure. I think I am looking for the US evening timings.
So
Yeah.
which part of US actually you're into? I'm just
I'm
wanted
in.
to curious
I'm
if
in.
I can meet.
I'm in Dallas area. I'm in the
Oh
central
my
time
God.
zone.
Okay, I think it's almost 9 to 10 hours journey for me. Fine, fine.
Yeah.
Then fine, no issues. Fine, fine. Yeah. Surely,
And
as per your comfort, sir, whichever schedule you're opting for, as per
so
your comfort.
I can continue this T-SQL and later on, if required, I can join the data engineering, right?
Exactly,
Okay.
exactly. I'm flexible, okay, as per your comfort, and yeah, you can do as per your comfort. Yes.
Okay. And if you're missing the class, yeah, we'll need to let you know so that you can give the recorded session.
Exactly. We'll
Okay.
do. We'll no issues. We'll
Okay.
do.
Sure. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you. And next, someone called yeah. I don't see the exact name, but the name mentions there YAA. I'm sorry, couldn't find the name. Mic is enabled there in case. Let me know. In the meantime, Vishnu Enumala, please let me know which course you're opting for. Vishnu, please. I'll wait. Vishnu Enumala, please let me know. Please, I'll wait. Cannot hear you. Please shake your mic, please. I'll wait. Vishnu, cannot hear you. And Sravani, yes, madam. Can you hear me, please? Sravani, please shake your mic.
Yes, sir. I'm planning to choose SQL DBA, like
Okay,
plan B, but I'm having one doubt, sir. That is, being a fresher means I'm having 3 years experience, but I didn't have on SQL DBA.
Okay.
Is this okay to learn plan B or plan A is enough? Can you please suggest?
I understood. You can do plan A initially, then upgrade to plan B. You can do. It's up to you. Yep.
Okay, first of all, I'm taking plan A only.
Exactly. For now, you can take A, madam, and then later you can upgrade to B, the cloud part next. You can do one by one, no problem. Just the difference part. Only difference.
Okay. So thank you.
Bye, madam. Thank you. Yep. And Chandra, I could see your chat message, sir. Do you have any plans to come to SFO? San Francisco, I think 1.5 hour journey from here, from my place. Yeah, we'll take it offline, sir. I could see your chat message, sir. We'll take it offline. See separately. Next, Rangareddy, sir. I have not received any email. This is my Rangareddy. Rangareddy, kindly check your spam, sir. Spam, junk promotions also, everyone. Please make it clear, please. Spam, junk promotions also, please check it. And Sai Kalyan, I could see your chat message, sir. I want to learn Snowflake with ETL. Sai Kalyan, can you hear me? Please check your mic, sir, please. Sai Kalyan cannot hear you.
Yes, I'm here.
Yeah, surely you can take Snowflake with ETL, sir. For that, you require SQL. So go for MS SQL plus Snowflake plan is there. Okay, combo. MS SQL plus Snowflake. It works.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
Fine, sir. We'll do. Yep.
Am
And
I
later, if
audible now, sir?
required, you can upgrade to DBT tool. Sai Kalyan. For now, MS SQL and Snowflake. Later, if required, DBT also. You can do.
Okay. Thank you.
If required. Later. Okay, you'll do.
Yeah. Thank you for that.
Thank you. And next, Nija News. I couldn't pronounce the name correctly. Mike with you. Nagianuj.
Yes, sir, Anuj. It's Anuj. Hi, sir.
Negoj.
Sir, I'm working as
Got
a
it.
infra lead from like 7+ years, but right now I switched my role to DBA.
Okay, got it, sir.
Just got an opportunity, quite a nice opportunity, but still I have like my job is not like hectic. I used to monitor the things, but all jobs and all daily monitoring tasks I'm doing, but I want to explore more about like database and the flow and the logs and OLTP and DBMS, the warehouse concepts. So I want to opt out for first and 5, like plan A for right now, but later on I'll definitely switch if I want.
Later on, you can upgrade yourself. You can do the different part later. You can do. I am flexible. No issues. We can do one by one. Yeah.
Just a query, sir. Like regarding what do we call it? Like live labs, we can access them like 24/7, or after the course, if you want the labs, we are
Yeah, we
allowed
have
to.
online server. Got it, sir. Yeah, got your question, sir. Let me give my answer here. And we have online server accessible for 6 months from the session start date. 6 months.
Yeah, that is more than enough. 6 months is enough.
6 months we have our own licensed copy online server we have. But that being said, sir, you need to have your local server also. Your local server plus our online server, both are required.
Actually, I can make my laptop as a local server.
Exactly. I'll guide you how to do that tomorrow in the class anyway. I'll do. Yeah.
Okay. Definitely, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay, just to make it clear, sir, let me just give you the plan for tomorrow's class on my screen. Installation, this one. We have your local server and our online server. Both 2 local servers, 1 online server. Okay, this is a plan for tomorrow's class actually.
Okay.
We'll do one by one. Yep.
Okay, sir.
You'll help with any operating systems, right? Like iOS is also you're gonna
Windows.
help, right?
Windows. Windows.
Only Windows? Sir, I
Yes.
don't have Windows.
I can help you how to enable Windows inside your Mac. I can help you with it.
Interesting. Okay, sir.
Yeah, we can enable Windows inside Mac. It works. Yep.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Next, Vishnu. Yes, madam. I could see your chat message just now. Yeah, please tell me, Vishnu. Mic with you. Please tell me. Yep.
Hi, sir. Good evening.
Tell me, sir. Very good evening, sir. Tell me. Yeah.
Sir, actually, I have one major query related to my designation and the job roles. I'm into the customer operations, sir. Like it's kind of a customer support side, and I have almost like 12 years of experience, and I'm just looking for a job change now.
Okay.
And my designation is like lead position now into the customer operations. Is
Okay.
that will really affect when I'm just planning to go ahead with the data analyst because I got a suggestion from one of your team member. Data analyst would be better for me. So I'm just planning for data analyst. Sir. Is that okay to go ahead with the data analyst, or do you want me to choose something other?
No. That's a perfect plan. Actually, I could see like you are in the correct path, but make sure like you have at least 1.5 to 2 hours practice per day. That's important actually. Then yeah, you can do data analyst, sir. It works actually.
Got that, sir. Actually, we are using MySQL here to fetch the data and to do small updates or something. And that to do small configurations, and it's a kind of a telecommunications. We do small configurations related to the SMS and all this. So we use very minor related to the MySQL. So that was one query I have, and another one is related to the AI Copilot, sir. So is that really gonna affect further jobs because AI is taking lead, right, sir? So is that am I need to worried about that part after learning this?
Let me put this way. I'll put this way, sir. I got your point. At least from my experience, I can tell you, AI is helping us a lot. AI is helping us to fine tune the scripts we do in our day-to-day activities as a data analyst, as engineer, or as an administrator. In olden days, we used to write the scripts. Now AI is helping us to generate the script. But again, see, even though there is an auto generation, we need for manual activity, right? Just like a say self-driving car. Though there is self-driving car, still it requires human interaction at the end of the day, right? Same thing here. There are scripts auto-generated because of AI, part of our course. We will be doing it. But to optimize the script, to test the script, to deploy the script in the correct path, we need human involvement. In fact, more involvement is required now.
Understood,
Okay.
sir. Understood.
It is required, and yeah, we should say thanks to AI. Let's do the positive side of it. Thanks to AI. But the only thing is you have to optimize whatever it does for us. You have to optimize, shape it carefully. That's how it is. Yeah.
Understood, sir. So one last question, sir. It's related to the Power Apps and Fabrics. I guess it will included in the data analyst course which I'm learning.
Fabric we have separate, like course actually. Fabric we have separate entity altogether actually. So the separate thing. So if in case you're looking for Fabric, then we have Fabric full stack separately. I'll just show you here on my screen. Just wait. I'll just show you one particular thing. Yes, on my screen. This is my Fabric full stack course. And
understood, sir.
So
sir,
we
somewhere
have,
I'm seeing. Sorry, sir. Sorry to interrupt you. Yeah, please go ahead, sir.
Thank you. So if you're looking for Fabric Analyst, it's a separate course. Of course, some Power BI is also included with AI and Copilot. So what I can suggest you is Vishnu, like you can opt for SQL and Fabric Analyst directly, skipping Python for now.
Okay.
So that you get SQL, Power BI, AI, everything. If required, you can do Python Analytics separately. That works.
Understood, sir. So instead of data analyst, I can go with the Fabric data analyst, right,
Simply
sir?
say go for Fabric data analyst instead of regular data analyst. Go for Fabric data analyst course. That works.
Understood, sir. So how will be the opportunities, and is there any complexity in learning? Because I'm totally
no complexity, pretty sure, but we have to practice on time. That's the only thing we have. Yeah. Then I can make it easier for you. I can make it, lovable examples and easy to understand the things we can do. We can, but no complexity. There are a few challenges, but we can easily face them with on-time practice, sir. That's the only thing I can tell. Yep.
Done, sir. And one last question, sir. My designation, as I said, it's operations lead. It's a lead position with the operations. So while searching for the job, is that going to affect designation is really matter?
So designation won't really matter as long as we're able to answer the questions in the interview, number one, and as long as we're able to attempt the tasks at our job desk. It not be a problem. No issues. Yeah.
Got that. Got that, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Yep. Next, others, any more questions, please? I'll wait, please. Fine, friends. Thank you. Please complete the, sorry, it's my usual word, complete practice on. That is something that I have to tell from tomorrow. For today, please go through my notes carefully, download the software, get ready for tomorrow's class. Thank you so much.
Sir, do you have few minutes?
Yes, madam. I think you asked me to, thought of having a call, right? Will do, madam. I think your name is already in the list anyway. I'll call you, madam. Will do. Yeah.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Yeah, I remember. I think you messaged me as well to have a call, right? Will do. Yeah, I got it. Noted, madam. Will do. Yeah.
Okay.
Any more questions, please? Attendees were requested for call back. Naveen, Rajesh, Malini, Ranga Reddy, and yep, others. Just in case, I'll call them anyway. Give me some time. I'll call them one by one. I'll do. Yep. WhatsApp call. I'll do. Thank you so much. Have a nice time. Pleasure meeting you all today. Meeting from tomorrow